I've got Geoff Davies down here, and I wanted to speak to Geoff about his history at the club. It's quite long, Geoff, your history. When did you start bowling here?
87.
1987. What's your fondest memory of your bowling career?
Oh, probably making the group side.
A little more information.
That's 16 bowlers picked out of 4,000 in the group.
And when you say the group, what was the group?
Well, Ballarat region.
Okay, yeah. Where did you bowl?
Altona we held.
And how did you go?
Well, I think I was in. We had 2 wins and a draw. But overall, we didn't make the final.
Okay. I see you were president from 95 to 97. You've got a long history with the club.
Yes, been here a while.
Yep. Okay. Handicap singles champion. You were a premiership player. You were a pairs champion with Jeff Shea.
Yes.
Okay. So tell me, how did that work out?
Well, we're runner-up the year before.
Yeah.
And he skipped when we're runner-up. So we changed it round. He said, well, you skip next year. So we won it the next year.
Oh, good. Okay. Davenport Pairs. Tell us about the Davenport Pairs.
Yeah, won 2 Davenport pairs.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't remember when.
Okay. That was, and you won that 3 times with Margaret.
Twice with Margaret.
Twice with, my information's wrong.
Yeah. That's it. That's the Davenport pairs.
Yeah. Okay.
We won the association pairs 3 times with Margaret.
That was the Goldfields Pairs.
Yeah, in a row.
Okay. And how did you get on playing with Chris Williams? That would have been a prickly situation, wouldn't it?
Well, I think we had over 20 years at Kunduwood playing together.
And you lived through it.
We lived through it. Yeah. And we both had a turn at Skippy.
Yeah.
So, and we got to the last 4.
Okay. Very good. Twice. Very good. Well done. Okay. So when you think back on the Dunolly Bowling Club, how much of your time did it take up?
Took a fair while, yeah. Robbie Ware and I, 3 years we mowed the inside of the green.
Yeah.
The banks for 3 years.
Wow.
Once a week.
Wow. Good. And in your time, what do you think's been the biggest change to bowl that you saw?
Well, coloured bowls.
Yeah. And what did you think about them when they came out?
Well, they looked all right, except when someone had a white bowl or a yellow bowl. But normally you just got adjusted to it.
Okay, good. And did you have any fights with Mark on the green while you were bowling together?
No.
Are you allowed to say that?
I could have had a few fights, but I was umpire for 19 years, so I had the better of them.
Oh, good. All right, Geoff, thank you very much for your time. Well done. Give Geoff a round of applause, please.
Thank you.